Hey guys, it's currently 8:30 a.m. and today is the day that the Lord has made. Ito na, we are on our way to New Clark City for Enhypen's Fate Tour in Manila. We've been waiting for this for months and finally it's here. Around 10:30, nakarating na kami sa stadium. Around 2 hours travel time from Nueva Ecija, which is pretty okay naman. Smooth travels naman. And ayan, nakita pa nung kapatid ko yung kaibigan niya, which is manonood din ng concert today. And yan, hindi ko na-videohan yung Enhypen Arc, nakakainis. Pero ayan yung New Clark City dyan over there. Engines are so early, madami ng tao by this time na nakapila, but we decided to go around and look at the venue muna and decided to eat. Ayan, si Jay. Hi, Jay! Ayan, we had pizza for lunch. Kung alam lang namin na sobrang daming tao at sobrang hirap bumili, sana pala nag-takeout na lang kami before going sa venue. Also, yung pila sa restroom, ang haba din. Took us around 1 hour. And ayan, nag-picture muna. And ito yung pila, guys, ng mga tao. Sobrang tirkang araw. And yes! Ayan na yung aerial banner. Sobrang sweet. Sobrang... Sana nakita to ng Enhypen, pero grabe yung effort, guys. Sobra. Ayan, around this time, we decided na pumila na. Around 2 or 2:30 ito. Ayan. And, ayan, hi Jay. Kilala nyo na kung sino ang bias. And, ayan, around 2:30, sobrang haba pa din ng pila. Sobrang tirik ng araw. But, for Enhypen, and after nito, 5 p.m., successfully nakapasok na kami sa stadium. We also got lucky to secure a barricade.
Time check. Grabe din ako dyan Nakabili kami ng water. Hi! Sana all nag-prepare yung light stick. Sino kaya nakaiwan ng light? Sino kaya yung iniwan yung light stick sa bahay?
O hindi ko iniwan, nakalimutan.
Concert yung light stick sa bahay.
Yeah, i-pair ka mo nila, mami.
Japanese pa yan.
Ayan, this is few minutes before 7, before the start of the show. Excited na lahat talaga dito. The moment is here. And ayan na sila. Wow! Grabe. Seeing them for the second time feels surreal pa din. So, grabe talagang kagwapuan ito mga batang to. Grabe. A little story time, guys. So we had standing B tickets and luckily nga, we secured the barricade. Thankful talaga kami sa seated na nasa harap namin since hindi talaga sila tumayo and yung phones nila, guys, na mga engines, talagang eye level lang. Kaya, unexpectedly, ang ganda ng view namin, unobstructedly, kitang-kita namin kahit hindi mo i-zoom. And ito, Polaroid Love na to, which is one of the most awaited sets, diba? And dito nagko-contemplate ako kung lalapit pa ako sa kanila kasi one of the advantage of standing is you can move freely talaga. And nung pagtalikod ko, nakita ko sobrang laki pa ng space at alam nyo guys, hindi ko talaga napigilan. Barricade versus makita sila ng malapitan sa Polaroid Lab. Nagwagi guys yung paglapit ko sa kanila. And ayun, since lumapit ako sa kanila, hindi na ako nakabalik sa barricade spot ko since na-occupy na siya ng ibang engines. And okay lang din kasi siguro nung pagbalik ko, around 3rd row pa din yung na-secure ko. Isa pa tong mga covers ng Enhypen, which is lalo na yung kay Sonu. Kasi talagang yung raw voice niya, narinig ko yun, so lovely, sobrang proud. And ito si Nikki, sobrang kwela. And tingnan mo naman as a MACD, sinusuportahan talaga siya. And of course, ito naman si Songhon, grabe, napaka-pogi na nga, napaka-gwapo pang sumayaw. Very, very good. Sobrang na-enjoy ko tong portion ng concert na to talaga. Even in Manifesto, Go Big or Go Home is really one of my favorites. Lalo na yung pagsigaw at pag-hype ni Jongwon. Gustong gusto ko talaga yan. And of course, yung fan chant ng mga engines while nagbe-breakdance ang Enhypen. Even though ilang beses ko na yung narinig, ilang beses ko na rin yung nakita, it really adds up the vibe. Para kasing magka-team up, diba? And of course, itong Chacon ba? Tama ba? And itong mga performance nila with their recent album. Ito talaga yung isa sa mga binidyohan ko kasi first time ko lang talaga silang mapapanood ng live. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Grabe naman yan, Sonu. Oh, Jay, ayan ka na naman, ha? Songhon. Grabe. Sobrang favorite ko to. Ayan. So, lastly, this is the encore set. Sad na dito kasi malapit nang matapos. Pero yung narinig ko yung Karma, grabe ang ganda niya pala sa live. As in, parang nakaka-hype talaga siya. Samahan nyo pa nitong pa-fireworks ni Madam na sobrang bongga. Alam mong pinaglaanan ng budget at ng effort talaga. Sobrang tagal niyan. Like, I think 10 minutes na non-stop na fireworks. And it also helped us na parang feel a little bit better na may fireworks and we didn't really realize na hala pa alis na pala yung Enhypen. And on the other note pala, nag-cart pa ulit ng Enhypen but I didn't include my videos kasi baka mahilo lang kayo. Kasi talagang sobrang lapit nila and hindi naging stable yung camera ko. I just appreciate their beauty talaga ng mga time na yun. And ayun, around 10 p.m. natapos na rin yung concert. It's sad but very happy kasi lahat ng pagod from lahat ng init na naininda is, you know, super worth it siya. And again, I hope we see each other again in Hypen. Ayun lang, bye!